Career in CAE is the dream of many mechanical engineers. However, we have to understand that it is not a magic key. So there are some limitations to what a CAE career can do. So today I'm going to talk to you about things that a CAE career does not do. So many people want to take up this career, but I believe before taking that decision, they should know what they are getting into. If you like this video and want to view similar content, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. CAE is a niche field and almost every fresh mechanical engineer wants to come into it. But like any other career, it has some limitations. Let's talk about it. Working in the CAE field does not automatically make you technically competent. In order to work in the CAE field, you don't necessarily have to be technically competent. You should only know how to handle the tool and some best practices. So, how it works and why we do a certain things the way we do it. Those are things if you want to understand, then you have to go the extra mile, put in the extra effort and learn the concepts. Working in CA field is not going to make you competent automatically. In order to do that, you have to learn you have to learn concepts by putting in that extra effort. Another of the problems with a career in CAE is that in the initial first few years when we are having the most amount of capability to learn and when also the opportunity cost is higher, at that time we'll be learning mainly model building skills like handling large assemblies, meshing and things like that. So this is one of the problems with the CAE career. So because you'll be spending so much of time for the first few years learning modeling skills, modeling and model building skills, that it will leave only a little time for learning engineering skills. So if you want to learn engineering skills, you have to put in the hard work and go the extra mile. Another of the problems with a career in CAE is that in the initial first few years when we are having the most amount of capability to learn and when also the opportunity cost is higher, at that time we'll be learning mainly model building skills like handling large assemblies, meshing and things like that. So this is one of the problems with the CAE career. So because you'll be spending so much of time for the first few years learning modeling skills, modeling and model building skills, that it will leave only a little time for learning engineering skills. So if you want to learn engineering skills, you have to put in the hard work and go the extra mile. As a result, what happens? It is easier to be either technically competent or good in CAE. But if you want to be both, you have to put in that extra effort and spend that extra time. There are a lot of uncertainties when you're working on CAE. So what happens is that unlike CAD, where the command runs instantaneously and you're almost sure of the execution of the command, those things do not always happen in CAE. So there can be solution on non-convergence, so some commands can fail and things like that. So all these things can actually derail your project plan. So CAE engineers need more time buffer compared to CAD engineers. The number of CAE openings is much smaller than the number of CAD openings. So approximately for every 20 CAD engineers, there is one CAE engineer. So this means that when you want to shift your career within the CAE field, uh, s- I mean, you may need to put in some effort and wait some time to get a new CAE job. But mostly this is not a problem. Most engineers do not face this issue because a CA job they will be going on doing for a long time. One new trend that I have observed in the CA industry in the last few years is that most companies are now preferring to hire postgraduates for the CAE posts. So this places the diploma holders and the graduates at a disadvantage. Pure CAE does not provide you any transferable skills. Pure CAE skills like meshing, model building, etc. It does not provide you with any transferable skills which you can use in another field like CAD or uh, production, etc. So if you learn engineering skills, that is different. Engineering skills are transferable. They can be used for any domain, any field. But pure CAE skills are not transferable.